kupu, ingoa. My name is Kason. It's Samoan language week.
Entalofa Lava WINTON School, or Lor-u Charlie. Ingoa Charlie. My name is Charlie. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rawini the 3rd of June.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is pukapuka, which is te reo for book.
Is in whare pukapuka, which means library.
Ka pai. That's pukapuka, which is te reo for book.
Ka pai on health and safety news. Hi VIZ VESTS. Do we need to say anything, koutou?
No, we don't. We're them people.
Okay, it's sausage sizzle and cookie day. Remember to line up nicely. Use your manners and wait patiently while getting your kai.
Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Steve Adams news. You 7-8 basketball players, no moustache today or tonight due to sharks and disco.
School council news. You'll be running to save your breath.
Disco news. Dress up, dress down, dress sideways. Get your dancing shoes on and have a great time tonight.
Kai kaha to all cross-country runners today. Full effort. Pace yourselves and enjoy the mud. Go, you good things.
Birthday news. None today at WINTON School, but this weekend, Alyssa Lambie gonna party it up because she's turning 12.
Rafana kia kai, Alyssa.
Have a great day on Sunday.
And that's it for today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team. See you tonight.
Stay clean, stay dry, and dust off. Stay off the grass, WINTON School.